is so-called immunoglobulin A. Mediated reaction which antibodies are formed. Okay. Reaction to protein in the food. So the body's immune system mistakenly identifying a normally harmless substance for a dangerous invader. So, the effect is incurable, being lifelong. Being lifelong with very small quantities of protein causing a severe reaction. So in every person there is a different reaction of allergy. Because we have different immune system. Hindi siya pare-parehas. Matagusan. A reaction only occurs to sensitive individuals. But for those who are not sensitive, it's okay for them to consume that food. Okay, so there is no cure for food allergy. There's no treatment. Warning signs, mild attacks. So, mga hives, rashes. So, those are mild attacks. Sometimes, there is full-blown attacks. Gatong hapit na anaphylactic shock. So, pag maagapan, epinephrine injection. So, and last is testing. So, kung hindi mo sure, magka-test, doctor. Okay, so, epinephrine, it's an injection. So, for milder cases. And, of course, avoidance of foods. Prevention of contamination by the food industry. So that's the importance of labeling. To label our products. So anaphylaxis campaign states, it is up to the individual to avoid the food and carry necessary treatments. So, but it is up to the food industry to minimize risk by prevention of contamination. Again, in the labeling of the product. So, avoidance and prevention. Avoidance and prevention are both needed as neither is good enough on their own with treatment as necessary. So, individuals must avoid. So, industry must prevent. Aims of allergen management systems. To know what allergens are being intentionally added. So, may mga products na intentionally added, say for example, the biscuits. fita. So, na siya milk. So, that is intentionally added allergen. Minimize and or eliminate the presence of unintentionally added allergens. Kung kanina, intentionally added, karon unintentionally. So, dapat ma-minimize or eliminate. Next is justify any advisory warning statement. And then consistent approach to labeling.
Important naman po yun kung expire ang products, di ba? May date ito. Kasi,
Then, in our case, sa primary packaging ng ating crab meat, na siya warning, allergen warning.
so sa may iba yung warning.
Ang warning is allergens in caps lock, capital letter, then colon, contains crab.
Kaya others mo treatment. Ikaw ang tatap. Gets sa bali. So, bubay ka. Ito na kami. Bubay ka. So, maraming sa label. For label. Ito na sa kami. Expire. Oh,
Okay, so management of risk.
for siya, danger.
So, a business must risk assess its capability to provide safe food to people with food allergies. So, again, balik gapon siya sa labeling. Labeling requirement ng product. Allergens need to be identified throughout the process by risk assessment and managed to avoid their unintentional presence in products wherever possible. So, risk assessment is being conducted by the supervisors, the managers, and nasa top management. So, risk assess. So, management of risk. Consider if ingredient and or product intentionally contains an allergenic foodstuff. So, though these foods have the potential to cross-contaminate ingredients coming into or foods on the premise. So, naana siya dito sa risk assessment. And then, after risk assessment, the management will implement measures to avoid unintentional presence of allergen in the product. It's a cycle. So, in risk assessment, na-identify nila yung allergen, then assess, plan, then implement, then it's a cycle, balik-balik lang. So, okay, so identify probability of unintentional presence of allergens. Draw a detailed flow of ingredients and the raw material through factory process indicating the areas of concern. So, role na ni ng risk assessment team. Okay, the risk assess each step for the potential of cross-contamination of the finished product with unintended allergens.
Ang first dire, di ba, kato sa lahat, wala pa na sila sa risk, kumana na. Kumana na.
Wala pa, high risk man sir ang process.
Ang process ko, high risk sa inyo mga part na high risk.
Sa process, sa product.
Process. Kaya brown pa man siya sa islands, kaya ibutang pa sa plastic. Kaya ibutang ba siya ice para ma-reserve. And later, i-flow nga, baho kayo, wala may lagyan po. Ilang short lang ito nga time para sa ilahagin nga experience mo. Short na ang time nga ma-out ang product mo. Kailangan na 15 to 20 minutes.
Serving time.
Sa time ba? Wala naman sa ice. Wala din fast. Pinag-mid pa. So wala fast. Punta na ito.
Kasi possible na ano siya, allergen, makontaminate siya allergen kay open pa man.
Open pa man ang kuhan. Product. Pakon close. Dito na ini katong wala na to yung risk katong kuhan. Katong cook ng steam na na. Katong steam na dito nga cans na. Kaya para na export na. Bukod ako man, ibutang sa red. Para matusi. Sumalit.
How to assess risk? Based on HACCP principles, the Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point System, it ensures that team covers all areas. So, not just in the production side, but all areas in the plant, including the engineering, all departments. Okay, so identify risk from process flow. Sa role na rin ng mga risk assessment team. So, assess the risk at each stage.
So first, di man din rin ang as pala. Kanong pinigkuhan dito sa parang.
Each stage during, so each step hanggang sa mahong
Ikan sa pagdakop sa truck. Pagdakop sa truck, pinay size, tapos level. Ito 4 inches. And cook ba? Kung wala egg, ito not mother, continue. Mati mama, return sa sea. After, follows na.
Use a risk matrix. So, our risk management team, they use risk matrix. How to rate the risk. Likelihood versus severity.
Sa severity.
Impact. Severity.
Impact of the product.
Okay, so
Every day na siya. Every day na. Or,
the risk assessment, yun sa siya sir pag risk assess.
So, 9 daily.
So, the severity, then the likelihood.
So, ano ito? Severity, then likelihood. So, nasa daily, weekly,
Sample.
monthly, sample, 6 months or 1 year. Hindi. 6 months ulit tama.
Okay, the risk assess. So, likelihood, severity, and likelihood multiply. Okay, for example, you have here a score of 5, and you have it is likely to occur daily. So 5 times 5, you have 25.
3 times. Ila ang grade sa risk. Sa mga severity o likelihood sa mga risk team. Ito ang check sa puno.
Interpretation of risk assessment. So, if it is color green, low risk.
Color green, low
So, in
danger.
low risk, established control measures are appropriate and should be sufficient to minimize.
Then,
Medium risk, Consideration should be given as to whether the risk can be lowered to an acceptable level. So, it's high risk, color red. A substantial effort should be made to reduce the risk. Risk reduction measures should be implemented urgently.
So gikan sa ang isa man niya gikan sa high nga risk atong i-low no. So gikan sa high nga danger para ma-low. Oh, kay dangerous man full high. Yeah, full. Red na gud na color. Kasi green,
Dangerous
yellow.
na.
Oh, red.
So, para sa color siya na traffic light.
Oh, para sa
So, di ba pag green, go.
traffic light.
Pag yellow,
Yellow, stop or caution.
yes, go
Ah,
sure.
red na,
Red,
danger.
red, stop or danger. Okay, so preventing cross-contamination. So, the defenses in preventing cross-contamination take two main forms. So, first is systems on and or procedure. So, dapat yung ang procedure sa plants and the systems should be followed. So, say for example, you are told to have to wash your hands before entering the plant, then you should wash your hands.
So, katong hands to nga, hindi ka nag-open.
Yes,
Una
so-
ka hands. Follow pa. Kasi sila inform on what ang right.
We must know how to follow procedures.
Follow rules. Kay danger naman ako. Makati. Usara ang narong all wrong. Usara ang wrong, all wrong. Kailan pa ni pala.
Control process. Examples ng control ng process controls is the re-icing. So re-icing of crab meat. So, dapat ma-re-ice siya kung wala pa man siya gisort.
If wala pa daw yung anak ninyo, so have siya ice. Kaya mabaho. Diba? Mabaho siyang patay. Oo, kami lang mana sa sun. Diba? Okay, patay na. Mana sa sun pag yung mahong patay.
Okay, so scheduling. So scheduling, it is applicable for those for the company which has several products, but kita na isa raman, so okay na. So wala tayong problem.
If other example, have passed naman sila yung katos wind. Reliance, rim, mix together, not good. So need always have schedule. Kung saan naman na file ma-control. Procedure what next?
Procedures for the control of allergenic material, detailing responsibility, the frequency of procedures, recording of results, and corrective action. So, mga procedures and controls during processing should be followed. And frequency of procedures, say for example, dapat in 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes mahuman, dapat 15 minutes mahuman. Okay, staff must be trained against these procedures and refresher training provided as required. Same as this training. So, annually man siya ginahanda. So, para ma-refresh pa ba? Okay, process control. So, from the very beginning, from the stations until sa mahuman siya, magi process, magi siya pasteurization, hangtod sa storage. Moagi na siya risk assessment.
All dangers. So from the islands in Bohol, asa Patulain, so Sugol, o pag-hit asa dito sa Baan, pag-arrive na sa diha, next sa diha, so flat out para makontrol. Kay need clean, kay export pa sa USA. AC process. Para mainly pa ang mobile sa food from the Philippines. So yan. Sure. Then until last, i-reserve na siya. Motor na hub. Van, itawag.
Refrigerated
Ah,
pa.
refrigerated van. Ano na ba? Mugo na ito sa barko. No? Pinatanaga.
30 days.
30 days. Masend na dito sa UST. Natman Airline. 24 hours at ito. Anak, mahal man. Anak, kuha naman. Kaya bugat man sa 1 million cans, no? In 1 year. Sila target doon.
Hindi sa kanilang target.
No? Oh. So, depende pinaka-cans in 1 year. So, inanaka mo na ini refrigerate dia ara na mabahog gyapon kasi bisag i-cook na siya. Katong steam ika na sa hot. Sa ref na sa ka. Ala ka important product sa pram. Okay.
Okay, so allergen controls. Monitoring of control measures. So, mga control measures. So, it should be monitored. So, at the event na wala na control, na corrective action buhatan ang mga QCs and QA. Then it is verified through audit. Okay, so example of test, allergen test.
3M. Ito business pass.
3M.
Ito nag-explain na
Sir June. So rapid test.
So pass.
After 15 minutes,
15 minutes.
you already have the result.
Okay.
Previous is 1.
So this is pa yung pag-ihi. So na-adyan.
Okay, another example. Another, ano siya? So, negative, positive. So, qualitative.
Or numbers.
Presence or absence.
Present or absent. Kemudian dugtong lahat ng mga alerts sa mga foods. Sila ang sampul dito nagkakatagal. Dito pambubugod lang. Angry to sila. Sampul na. Gusto sa inyo mo tangan dito. Bawal. Matukutos na
Bakit na sila ka?
Gusto lang. Sure lang. Next time. Mabaho pa na yung brain pa dire. Show. Why man show? Depende man ito ma-work. Curious yung gaya doon. Pwede mo makita. Difficult pa nila ang work. Yan din pass. Para man sa export. Hindi ako pa na nag-test. Isang ship. Bring. Nagpasag sila. Sigo dito kasi raw sa Del Person, di ba? Kamu amor, no? Kang amor ba? Ito. Check nila. Wala. Ilang pag-uong analyst.
Ako naman, sir.
Ito. Siya na now.
Resign ang isa. Si
Isa
Amor sa process.
sa process daw si Amor. Siya sa asa naman kanapan? Sa lab. Laboratory. Ako sa ni-resign, surrender. Isa man nga
Si Chuchu.
Chucho. Isa na.
Garong may Patricia.
Asa naman, resign na. Ato na sa Mindanao. Lodi Duterte.
Okay, so test types.
So, test. Exam siya.
Times Japon, how to determine the
Check niya.
allergen. So, ELISA test.
ELISA. Or name sa person.
Immunoenzymes, link, immunosorbent acid.
Wala lang i-use nga exam
Yes.
for one
Allergen testing.
allergen. Hindi ba maana hindi ko ang person. Blame. Return ang balance. Break. Wala mo workflows. Wala mo workflows.
Okay, next is the PCR, the polymerase chain reaction. So, enzyme based.
ano,
Gani.
different ba kayo sa, para ma-aware sa, different ba
Hindi
na
pala
ma-aware.
sila, para makabala sila.
Oo, para ma-aware mo na sila, discuss. Kaya na yung visitor kang as, then, learn.
Okay. So allergen management systems must be monitored and reviewed to provide assurance if they are working correctly. Review of allergenic status must be made when modifying product formulation. So kung meron bagong products.
Yung product. So, pass ang product. Ang anak, atong magaling sweet, wala pa. Wala pa. So, atong wala pass, sweet pa man ang business. Ay, change sila to crop.
Product formulation, may binago sa product.
New product nga ilang i-sell para more sa business. Think idea ang owner. So, one other nga business. Para give work sa inyo and then others are profit for the company.
Process scheduling.
Yes.
Standard. And also applies to new products. Okay, so records must demonstrate effective allergen management. So, ang mga records, sila kabalo, ang mga QCs and QAs, gumubuhat ani mga records.
From the start dito, pag dako pa sa crop, no, pag dako pa sa crop, before ko, kailangan nag-record.
Ano yung records?
Pila ka mo, crop. Sa Philippines, or pila daw ka kilo. Kilo? Kilo. Pila